Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in university science, full guide. Start by organizing core concepts into a study map and set realistic weekly goals. Focus on understanding principles, not memorizing facts, and link ideas across courses. Use active methods like practice problems, teaching peers, and creating sketch notes. Maintain consistent review with spaced repetition and short daily sessions. Stay curious and kind to yourself as you build deeper scientific thinking. Start sessions with a clear goal and one focused task to keep momentum. Alternate short problem practice with concept review to deepen understanding and avoid burnout. Use teach-back methods, explaining topics aloud as if instructing someone else. Create concise flashcards for equations and definitions, and solve varied problems every week. Regularly test recall without notes to build durable memory and confidence for exam situations. Plan your week with specific blocks for reading, problem solving, and review to reduce decision fatigue. Use a simple timer for focused intervals and short restorative breaks to sustain attention. Schedule hard tasks when you have peak energy and reserve lighter tasks for low focus periods. Keep one weekly session for syncing notes and making summary sheets. Small, consistent sessions beat last-minute cramming for complex scientific topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.